Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to fix Facebook page invite option not working. So basically on your Facebook page, if you are trying to invite people or add members and if it's not working, I'm gonna tell you some reason why and some fixes. So first things you should do is open up your Facebook application and then go over to the pages by hitting the three lines and then go down to pages. So the first thing you want to know is if the page is private and you are not the admin, then you are not going to be able to invite friends or do any kind of invites or add members. That's only up to the admin. So that's the first thing you want to know. And the second thing you want to know is that there is a limit to how many people that you can invite. So once you invite more than 50 people for an event, then you cannot add anymore. So there's a limit per person. So depending on if it's a public group or private group. So that too is the reason why you cannot invite or add friends to Facebook page. So here are some fixes. Go ahead and open up your settings and then go ahead and click on apps and notification, then select Facebook and then go ahead and select storage. Now what you're gonna do is clear your cache and then go back to Facebook, and you'll be able to add friends to Facebook page or invite members. So that's all guys. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell.